Alright. Let's see if we can do this another way. See if this comes out.
So, all comedy aside, listen to how they make a mockery and a joke out of this. Please.
You can actually spray sulfuric acid in the stratosphere 20 kilometers over our head and use that to stop the planet warming up. Ugly tactics.
You could spray something into the atmosphere to change.
Spray pollution into the atmosphere to stop it warming.
How do you do this?
You start with a fleet of modified business jets and say 20,000 tons of sulfuric acid into the stratosphere every year. And
hopefully I can show you this. But he's talking about retrofitting planes, putting tanks in them, liquid tanks that house, you ready? Barium, strontium, and aluminum, plus sulfuric acid.
each year you have to put a little more, and this doesn't, in the long run, mean that you can forget about cutting emissions. We will need to rein in.
No, we'll get to it eventually. In the meantime, we're shrouding the earth in sulfuric acid.
So people are terrified about talking about this because they're scared that it will prevent us cutting emissions.
Right, and also that it's sulfuric acid.
We put 50 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. That's pollution, and it kills 1 million people a year worldwide.
Okay.
A year worldwide.
Okay, but it'll be better if we put more
people a year worldwide.
Okay.
And it kills 1 million people. Kills 1 million people a year. Kills 1 million people a year worldwide. 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 That's pollution. And it kills 1 million in the air now. That's pollution. And it kills 1 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. That's pollution. And it kills 50 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. That's acid. We put 50 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. That's pollution. And it kills 1 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. We put 50 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now. That's pollution. And it kills 1 million people a year worldwide.
Okay, but it'll be better if we put more in.
We're talking about 1% of that. We put 50 million tons of sulfuric acid in the air now as pollution, and it kills 1 million people a year worldwide.
Okay, but it'll be better if we put more in.
We're talking about 1% of that.
1% more, we're just killing 10,000 more people.
You could do math.
What happens to the sulfuric acid after it's sprayed? Does it just stay up there?
No, it rains down, but it's a tiny addition.
Okay.
We're already doing.
Is there any possible way this can come back to bite us in the end?
It actually turns out to be an old idea. This was known since President Johnson.
You ever look at those planes up there? They have contrails behind them.
They chemtrailed in Vietnam. That's how I heard about it.
Maybe all those planes with the contrails, maybe they're actually spraying chemicals into the atmosphere right now, and Uncle Sam isn't telling us.
Seems extremely unlikely.
That the United States is not telling something to its citizens, that seems extremely likely to me.
This is a big joke, a big mockery. This video got banned. There's way more to this. I just can't do it all on this.